Ano? To wala. Lupit na eh. Hindi mo gano'n nagbago. Ang baduan nyo lang. Maybe we grew up here. Ano eh?
Pabalik na kami.
Ano? How's your market visit?
It was good.
How's your market visit?
It was good.
Was good. Ay! May artista! Ma'am, kumusta?
Morning! Today is December 26, birthday ni Daddy. So pupunta kami sa Eternal, magpipiknik kami doon. May dala kami palabok, egg sandwich, tas siopaw. Say hi!
Good morning!
Say hi! Say hi, Lala! Hello! Nandito na kami kay Dad.
You can be the...
Nah, I won't force you, but I just tell you, Cass, can you please tidy up your house?
Hi, Dad! Happy birthday! Ang nakalagay dyan, January 2, pero December 26 ang birthday. Favorite drink. Tapos may ano kami, pansit, sandwich, egg sandwich, tada, cake, and chocomucho, and mga pagkain.
Little eye, a phoenix.
Yung magpaabot mo sa basura. Kakanta si Daddy. Aliw ko na gusto ko na mas magayon. Vlog man lang ni. Ma-video ka siya.
We're looking for pattern. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
Yung puno kung kompleto dito.
Hooray! 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 Anong wish mo, Dad? Dad, mabuhay sa ulit.
Minus 2 points.
No, Father, we're not playing the game anymore. Father! Father, we're not playing the game anymore. I also have the ties. Can I do this?